Hello everyone, welcome back to GadgetVerse. Today we're reviewing the Vacmaster 500 series heated carpet and upholstery spot cleaner machine SCB1001H0101, a portable deep cleaning machine built for carpets, couches, rugs, pet messes, and everyday stains. If you want stronger spot cleaning with heated wash performance and powerful suction, this Vacmaster model is designed to make home cleaning easier. One of the standout features is the heated cleaning system. Warm water can help loosen dirt, break down sticky spills, and improve stain removal compared with cold water-only spot cleaners. That makes this machine especially useful for food stains, muddy footprints, pet accidents, and older marks that need extra cleaning power. Another major advantage is the 16 kPa powerful suction. Strong suction helps pull dirty water, loosened debris, and moisture out of fabric surfaces after washing. This means cleaner results and faster drying times for carpets, upholstery, and rugs. Whether you're cleaning a sofa cushion or a car mat, extraction performance makes a big difference. The portable design makes it easy to carry from room to room or use outside for vehicle interiors. You can clean couches, stairs, area rugs, mattresses, fabric chairs, car seats, floor mats, and trunk liners without moving a bulky full-size machine. It's ideal for apartments, family homes, or anyone who wants quick access to a cleaner whenever spills happen. Vacmaster includes versatile cleaning tools, giving better flexibility for different surfaces and stain types. Wide tools help larger areas, while detail tools are useful for corners, seams, upholstery edges, and tight spots. This is especially helpful for pet owners dealing with fur, muddy paws, odors, or repeated messes. The clean and dirty water tank system keeps fresh solution separate from extracted messes, making the process more hygienic and simple to refill or empty. Just spray, scrub lightly, and let the suction do the heavy lifting. For users who want a practical portable cleaner with heating support and strong extraction, the Vacmaster 500 series heated spot cleaner is a smart value option for homes, pets, and car detailing. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, check the link below to buy now, and don't forget to subscribe to GadgetVerse for more smart product reviews every day.